What's up guys, Gabe here, and today I'm going to show you how to level up your operations with one very simple software that you're probably already using. If you've ever played video games in the past, you've probably heard of the software called Discord. And the way we use Discord internally here at 4Media actually started a long time ago when our entire company worked remote, and it was just Fredo, me, and Eddie in a basement working. So long story short, essentially what happened is we started to hire more team members that were working remote, and we realized, how can we recreate this environment we have where we're all in one basement together and able to communicate quickly? How can we recreate that experience? And because we had already been gaming in the past, we were already aware of Discord. One day we came into the basement and all of a sudden we thought, why not just use Discord for internal communication? I mean, it would really speed up a lot of things. And essentially, immediately we implemented it. We created a free Discord server. Yeah, that's right. It is free. So that's a big plus there. We pay, I think, like $30 a month for some extra little features like higher quality streaming for like screen sharing. But for the most part, you can start out the gate using Discord for free. So there's literally zero excuse to not at least try Discord with your business. But essentially how we use it inside 4Media internally is each individual teammate has their own office inside of Discord. And the idea is, you know, here at the office, if I need something from our CFO, Julian, I can just go to his door, knock on his door down the hall and get my answer immediately. I wanted to replicate that with Discord. So that's exactly kind of how it behaves. Everyone has their own office inside of Discord. And when I need something, or when any team member needs something from someone, they can just jump into that person, their office, and ask any question they want, get an answer really quickly. And you would be blown away with how quickly your business is going to start moving when you implement Discord. So I highly recommend you guys jump in and use it. It's free again, and it's going to take your business to the next level. I really kid you not. Reach out to me, Gabe at 4Media, if you guys have any questions at all. I'd be more than willing to help you guys, but please do yourselves a favor. I get goosebumps thinking about Discord, honestly, because it's leveled up our business that much. I want you guys to experience the same thing. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next video.